today we're gonna make these heart envelopes I made by accident, and they're original by me. I'm gonna put these here, surrounding the paper. Okay. Now, I'm gonna fold into a triangle. I'm gonna open it and then fold it with the triangle on the other side. Very normal. Oopsie, I hate that sound.
You hate the farting sound?
It's not a farting sound.
It sounds like a fart.
And then after that, we want to hold this like this.
Okay.
It's a little tricky because of the lines. Just want to hold it.
Okay.
And then the other side. And then you will see these lines that will make up a triangle. So you can fold it like this, following the lines. And you do it on all sides. And then after that, you want to flip it, and then it will have these lines again.
Okay.
And then you want to fold it like this.
Okay.
To the middle, neatly. If it's not neatly, it'll turn out.
What? What will
It'll turn out bad.
like a bad?
Not terrible though.
Oh, okay. like mine.
No, you did a good job. You did a good job.
Thank you.
That's it, Arts. Just want to fold to the middle.
Okay.
After that, it will look like this.
Okay.
In the back, it's a fortune teller. It's a finished fortune teller. But here, we don't want to make it a fortune teller. So we're going to fold it like this. Not the fortune teller side. Not the square pieces side. Or you can call it the fortune teller side. And you want to open it like this.
Okay.
You see this triangle flopped? You're going to open it and then take the triangle flops and then put it inside. Or you can just cut it. But I prefer putting it inside.
Yeah.
Because cutting it is a bad idea. And then it'll look like this. Now this is the last step. You want to put your finger inside these. And then you want to push it slowly up. This thing. You see this thing? You want to use your thumb to push it to this middle line. And you want to do it the same thing to the other side. And that's how you make a heart envelope. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.